Hello family, you are welcome back to my channel. Here is Rima Healthy, where your home of healthy recipes. So thank you to my returning subscribers. God richly bless you. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are warmly welcome. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. So in today's video, I have on my recipe table how to make a homemade rice flour, and it's just a quick and a simple one. Okay, we are not going to make an instant rice flour, but I'm going to take you through this process one after the other, or step by step. Okay, so to begin, you need any kind of rice at all. Okay, you can use brown rice or any type of rice that you think it's okay for you. So I am using Yasmin rice. So I am going to soak this in the water for some time, just between 2 to 3 hours, and it's enough. So then I am going to cover this after here and leave it alone until I'm ready to come back for it. So after 3 hours, I'm going to open it and then drain all the water out, and you can see it's a little bit soft. Your reason for soaking this is that it's going to help your rice to grind well. So right now I'm going to use this kitchen towel because it's very important at this point. I'm going to spread my rice, okay, over it, and then allow this to rest for about 1 hour. And you can use a fan to dry the water from it, or you can just leave it, and you don't want to use heat on this, okay, which is also an important step that you have to take notes, okay. So guys, if you're still not part of this wonderful family at this point, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. Okay, I'll be happy to have you here as one of my Rima fam. So I'm going to use the sides of my kitchen towel to help me dry this a little bit. It's not going to do anything, but I'm just doing it anyway. All right, so yeah. All right guys, so this is after an hour, all right, and my rice is ready to be grinded or to be blended. Okay, so this is how it's looking at this point. It's not so dry, all right, but it's manageable. Yes. Okay, so then I'm going to bring all into my blender and get it to blend. I'm already having a nice texture here, and you can see it's a little bit moist because it was not totally, it was not totally dry, okay, because we soaked in water. Then at a point I had to separate them because it was too much in the blender. So I divided this into 3 sections, okay, and that was okay. When you're doing this, you need a high-speed blender, just something like this, or you can use a coffee grinder. You can use grind mill, anything that you think can grind your rice. So what I'm going to do next is to sieve my rice flour. Okay, so we have some particles or some portions that did not really get smooth, and that's why you need to sieve this so that it all comes out. Okay, so when you get it, you can as well blend it again and again until you get the texture that you are looking for. So I also dried this on my kitchen towel again because it was a little moist. Then after I brought it into this airtight container, I'm going to keep it on my shelf, keep it in the kitchen. So anytime that I have the need for it, I'll just go for it. I use it for cooking and also for baking. So thank you for joining me today. Until I come your way again next time, it's bye.